Hi, I'm Stacy Whiteman, Product Engineering Director in the Virtuoso Group.
This is Michael Tian, R&D Director at Cadence.
Our customers are challenged by the need to design for mission-critical applications. Their products are used in automobiles, medical systems, used for control of industrial plants, applications where failure is not an option. Cadence developed the Legato Reliability Solution to help designers address the quality, reliability, and safety requirements of these applications. Consider an analog IC designed for an automobile. The manufacturers have very definite requirements in mind when they select a component. They expect quality. Ideally, they want components with 0 defective parts per million. They expect reliability. They want parts that last 15 years. Our solution is meant to enable designers to perform the analyses needed to achieve these requirements.
To help our customers design mission-critical applications, we provide solutions to simulate at least 3 things: the ability of manufacturing tests in identifying and eliminating defective parts, the effect of temperature on circuit performance, and how circuit ages over time, considering the additional impact of temperature and process variation. To help you understand what we mean by providing a solution, let's consider the requirement of improving IC quality. Several years ago, we provided an analog fault analysis capability to simulate manufacturing tests and found out having just the simulation piece itself is not enough. A complete flow was required. First, we need to help customers decide what to simulate. In our solution today, we create a list of potential manufacturing defects based on the structure of an IC design. We organize and minimize this list to ensure we're not doing unnecessary work. With this defect list, we can now start simulation. Even for a small analog block, there can be many potential defects, so we have developed a super-fast fault analysis capability in addition to the brute force approach.
Once the simulations are complete, the results need to be analyzed. The metrics of interest for this type of analysis are quite different from the usual sweeps and corners reporting used during circuit design. For example, the results of each simulation are not that interesting. Instead, designers need to know the test coverage. That is, what percentage of the defects were found by each test. And over all tests, what percentage of defects have been found. So when we talk about a solution, we're not talking about a point tool. We're talking about automating a design methodology. While our reliability solution is new, we've integrated it into our existing Virtuoso ADE product suite and Spectre simulation platform to make it easy for users to adopt.
We have discussed how simulation can be used to improve the quality and coverage of manufacturing tests as an example of the solutions we're providing. Our Legato reliability solution will help you to meet the quality, reliability, and safety requirements of mission-critical applications. For more information about the Legato reliability solution, visit cadence.com.